Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. These pumpkin pie slice cookies are such a cute addition to any Thanksgiving dessert platter. I began by marking the crust with an edible marker, and then I filled in that area with 20-second icing that I colored Ivory. I wanted the icing to be a light color because we're going to darken it up once it dries with an airbrush. I used my airbrush color in the shade Warm Brown and lightly sprayed around the edges. I love the depth the airbrush gives. It makes it look like it was just browned in the oven. But you can skip this step and use brown icing if you prefer or if you don't have an airbrush. All that's left to do now is fill in the pie with 20-second icing, and then once that crusts over, add a dollop of white icing for the whipped cream. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. Thanks so much for watching. Like, subscribe, ring the bell, do all the things, and I'll see you next time.